Beulah Heights University. My name is Divine Zumbi and I am the recruitment coordinator. Now that you've completed the application process, we would like to share some very good information that can help you as you matriculate. Every semester, the recruitment department organizes information sessions known as open houses. During an open house, you get the opportunity to speak with faculty members and staff, and we also take you on a virtual tour. We also have what we call Discovery Days, where we open our classrooms for people to come and sit to visit. So this is a great opportunity for you to invite friends and family to participate. If your guest decides to join Beulah Heights University, not only will their application fee be waived, but you both have a chance to qualify for a $300 credit applied towards your tuition. For more information on this incentive, feel free to go on our website at beulah.edu. So these were just a few of the many incentives that we have available for you here at Beulah Heights University. So if you would like to talk about it, feel free to contact the recruitment department at recruitment@beulah.edu, and we will be more than happy to share that information with you. We are confident that this journey will be full of wonderful experiences. So have a wonderful semester.